Need Facebook business tools to help you get more done faster while reaching more of your perfect people? Hang on tight, guys, because I'm about to tell you about the free Facebook business tools that I could not run any of my business pages without. If you're an entrepreneur or you're a small business owner, or even if you work for a small business and you're one of those people who's juggling all of the plates, this episode is for you. I've been there. I've juggled the plates of having to create massive amounts of content and promote the content on Facebook and Pinterest and create blog posts and trying to juggle it all. Comment back, set up messenger chat, trying to juggle it all. What are those tools that can help you get more done faster so you can have that skyrocketing growth? You've seen other people have that growth. You want the same. Let's make it happen. What are the business tools that you need to help you get there? The first tool that I absolutely adore is Audience Insights. Guys, this one's super easy to go into. You just go into the little down arrow and into your ads manager and then over into Audience Insights. Inside of this tool, you get to see so much data about everyone that's on Facebook and who you should best target. If you want to learn our tricks on how to use that tool, we have a whole episode just devoted to Audience Insights. So see the show notes, it's in there. Next tip for you is Creator Studio. Guys, a Creator Studio lets you upload videos in big batches. How many of you are like, okay, I have to upload one and then I have to write the description and then I have to do that? Just takes a lot of time. Instead, batch your work together. Batching helps you get so much more done in less time. Facebook listened, Facebook knows, Facebook wants you to be efficient, so they created Creator Studio. Hop on in there and you can create massive amounts of content, schedule it, upload it in big batches, and be off to the races. That content works both on Facebook and on Instagram. You can schedule in both places using that tool. Third tool for you, the third tool that I absolutely love. This one's the most duh tool. You guys are going to be like, what? Is this actually the tool? It is. My third favorite tool is the Facebook search bar. Why? I can find my niche neighbors, other pages that are just like mine. I can find other groups where my customers hang out. I can find problems and solutions that people are currently talking about publicly on Facebook, and I can kind of like eavesdrop in to the brains and the thoughts and the way that my audience interacts online in my niche. Go over there, guys. Check out the search bar. My favorite question, my favorite phrase to put up there is, I had a question about. I love to type that in, especially if I'm in a Facebook group, because I can see the actual issues that my audience is having. Fourth tip for you, fourth tip is our Facebook inbox. Messenger, it's actually on a program called Lightning. Lightning is the back end system, so you don't see Lightning, but Messenger is now connected to Instagram and Facebook. What does this mean for you? This means you get one place to go and see all of the different replies that your audience has when they message you. You get to tag and assign different team members to reply to the messages. You get to create saved replies. Guys, there's so much here. We are going to devote another episode to this later. So when we get it, we'll put it in the show notes. Go check it out when it's up there. Fourth tip would be your inbox. Use your inbox and use the hacks, the tools, the tricks that Facebook literally gives to us inside of the inbox. Fifth one for you guys. Fifth one, post insights. If we didn't have post insights, we would not know what is doing well. Facebook wants us to post more of what works because that's how we grow. Where do we find that out? Go check it out in Post Insights. The stats that you can find there are crazy cool. And again, tutorial is in the show notes. Number 6 is a tool that we've created just for you. We've listened to you. You've said you don't want to sit and make a lot of content. We have a nifty app just for you. Put it on your phone and you can literally copy and paste all of the posts you'll ever want. Nearly, maybe not all, but a lot of them. Guys, you can copy and paste the post. You can get prompts for videos. You will have your content pretty much done. Next up, all you have to do is figure out the messaging that your audience will relate to. And that's the things that you get to use with Audience Insight, Creator Studio, and the search bar, and the messages back and forth, and those post insights. You get to use all of those tools with our app, and voila, your content's done for you. Practically writes itself. Now, remember, guys, you don't need to do any of this alone. Running a business through Facebook, guys, it's a lot of work, and it's a little lonely because the rest of the world doesn't get how we are on Facebook earning an income, right? Don't be an island. Seriously. Facebook can be so chaotic and so noisy, we feel like we're all alone even though we're talking all day. I don't want you to feel alone. We have a group just for you, other marketers just like you who are growing your audiences and growing your businesses as fast as you can. Come join us, okay? And just to recap, would love your likes, thumbs up, shares, comments. Our recap is check out these 5 tools. First one is Audience Insights because it's the bomb diggity. Next one, Creator Studio, because you can upload tons of content in big batches. Awesome sauce. Third one, your search bar. Make use of the search bar that Facebook gives to us. Fifth one, use Messenger Inbox because it's crazy awesome. Fifth tip for you is post insights. You can see so much data about your customers and about the posts that they love that you've created with post insights. And the 6th tip for you is to use our app. We've heard you say you don't know what content to create, so we've got you covered. We've got the app for you. Love you guys. I hope that this was hugely helpful. If it was, let us know, like, comment, share, and I will see you in our next episode.